Hey everyone, welcome to this week's video assembly. We have a new feature this week called In the Know. This is going to be reviews of movies and video games and more, featuring student reviews. We're able to put together some of those. The ones that were submitted so far were really great, and so we look forward to sharing those with you. And those will be next in the video. And we also have a postcard from Charlie this week as well. So hope you enjoy. Have a great week.
I'm James, and movies are awesome. You get a chance to eat junk food and not do chores, and you get immersed in this huge world where nothing else exists, and it's just really fun. But sometimes movies can be really bad, like Spy Kids 4. This one's 3, but 4 is really bad. Look, this one came out in 2003. And this one came out in 2011. 8 years later. They've already ended the series, but they were like, let's add another one. Well, that's besides the point. I want to talk about a very great movie. In fact, my favorite movie. Spirited Away is my favorite movie, and I highly recommend it. It starts with the main character and her parents moving to a new house, but they take a wrong turn and they go to somewhere where they aren't supposed to be. They eventually get separated, and the main character gets sucked into the spirit world. Amazing. So now she has to get back to the real world, but it's not going to be that easy. The main character has to go through many challenges to get back to the normal world, like having her name taken away, accidentally letting in a monster that eats people because he's sad, encountering a witch that turns people into creatures, and if she tells anyone about it, she'll have her mouth ripped off. This is what Mr. Sad Guy looks like. He's my favorite character, and he's really cute. The beginning of the movie is a little boring, but it gets really good really quickly. It's got a lot of characters and a lot of surprises, but they aren't so obvious that you know they're going to happen before they actually do. It's by Studio Ghibli and has one of my favorite art styles of any animated movie. Overall, I give this movie a 15 out of 10. Very recommended, very good.
Hi, I'm Charlotte, and did you know that there are 1,181,019 video games in the world? The video game I'm reviewing is Portal 2. It was released in 2011, and you can play it on Windows, Mac OS X, Linux, PlayStation 3, Xbox 360, Steam using a laptop, and Xbox One. If you're playing the game in one player, then you're the same human as you were in Portal. Her name is Chell. In multiplayer, you are a robot, Atlas and Peabody. Both characters have a portal gun that can shoot 2 portals, an orange and a blue one, and the other character has dark blue and light blue portals. When you shoot one of your portal colors, you can shoot the other and easily get from one place to another, destroy turrets, build up momentum, and much more. This game is similar to Portal, but in multiplayer, you're 2 bots rather than a human. In Portal, you have to escape GLaDOS, who wants to destroy humankind. And in Portal 2, if you're in multiplayer, you realize you're helping her. If you're not a multiplayer, then you are a human who's being helped by Wheatley. But he accidentally reboots GLaDOS, and GLaDOS destroys him. I haven't gotten to the end of the game so far, but it's really fun. I especially like it in multiplayer mode because you can put a player in a portal loop, which is one portal on top of something, the other below. They build up momentum, and then once they come out of the top portal, you shoot the top portal somewhere else, and they'll launch out of there. I would recommend this game to people who can be patient and can solve puzzles, because it takes time and puzzle solving skills. I give this game 6 out of 5 stars, and here are some pictures of people playing it. This is this is an example of a portal loop. This is just a basic setup. That's when GLaDOS wakes up. She's super creepy. And then that is in the beginning of one player when Wheatley is helping you. I hope you liked my review, and I hope that you like the game if you ever play it.
My name is Kaylee, and I love the movie A Dog's Purpose. I recommend this movie to anybody who loves dogs. A Dog's Purpose is about a dog who goes through 4 different lives. It is based off the novels written by an American author, W. Bruce Cameron. The 4 different dogs in this movie were Bailey, Ellie, Tino, and Buddy. A Dog's Purpose was created by W. Bruce Cameron on January 26, 2017. The 2 main characters are Ethan and Bailey. Ethan is the little boy, and Bailey is the dog. The setting of this film takes place on Ethan's farm in Minnesota. I give this movie more than 5 stars, and I hope everyone can watch it and enjoy it as much as I did.
All right, just a few postcards this week. Had a short week last week. So this week's winner is Eric. So, Eric, next time you're on campus, come on by the office and collect your prize.
Hello, everybody. It's that time again. Time to see what postcards Charlie sent us this week. I wonder where he's been. Hi, everybody. I decided to spend some time at the lake this week. Even though I don't like going in the water, it sure is a really cool place to go hiking. I decided that while I'm here, I would do some fishing. I think it's easier to catch fish without a fishing pole. I hope you're all staying safe. Wear your masks and wash your hands. See you next time.
Okay, that's all that we have for this week. Remember that next week is spring break, so there will be no school next week. I hope you guys have a great finish this week and a great start after we get back.